Hi, hello, Assalamu alaikum, Namaskara, Namaskar, everything. So today, myself Rahim sir trying to explain what is Pythagoras theorem is. So the statement is as follows. In a rectangular triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. Okay, this is a figure, right angle triangle. So the data I have given you see. What is the data? What you can see in the figure that you can write? You can see a figure of triangle that is ABC. So data is what? ABC is a right angle triangle in which this symbol indicates 90 degree. So angle B is equal to 90 degree. Next, what we have to prove? To prove is that it is given here the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. So what is the hypotenuse? So in a right angle triangle, which side is called as a hypotenuse means any side opposite to 90 degree, that is called as hypotenuse. So where is 90 degree here? This is the 90 degree opposite to the, what is the side is there? AC is there. So that's why AC square. See the statement, the square and the hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse? AC square is AC square. Is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. AC is gone. Which are the other two sides? AB and BC. AB and BC. Do B. Okay. AB square and BC square. That is what we need to prove. For this proof, इसको करने के लिए, okay, इस तरह करने के लिए, इसको proof करने के लिए, ಇದನ್ನು prove ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ construction ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is the construction is see? I will show you here. I write down here first. Construction. What is the construction? The construction is that draw. What is that? Here. BD. What is that? BD. So this is 90 degree. So BD perpendicular to which is this side is AC. BD perpendicular to what? AC. Okay. Perpendicular is 90 degree. Clear? So far is okay now? No worries now. See, I will try to make you understand in a very simple way. See that. Okay. So now proof. So proof is following here. So there are two triangles. First let us take this triangle and the whole triangle. Which is that part of the triangle is? The part of the triangle here is ABD. Take that. In triangle ABD. In triangle ABD and the whole triangle. And triangle ABC. And triangle ABC. Two triangles. First let us prove these two triangles are similar. See, ABD, see, ABD here A. You can see this one, this part of the triangle. ABD and ABC. Both are same here. So A being the common. Angle A is equal to angle A. It is what? Common. Second thing is that in ABD what is 90 degree? D is 90 degree. So angle D is equal to what is in ABC which is 90 degree, B is 90 degree. Angle B, because this is we can write construction and data. Data and construction. Because data y means angle B is 90 degree, it is given in the data here. And construction angle D is 90 degree, we got through the construction. So that is to say that two triangles are similar. Therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle ABC. So what is this reason? AA criteria, angle. Okay, if the two corresponding angles of two triangles are similar, are equal, then the triangles are what? Similar. So corresponding sides are proportional. How do we write this? See, this is very important part here. Let us think here. We move like this. See that arrows? What is that? AD by. Then we will climb this mountain. Okay. What is the mountain is? AB. That is what? AB. That should be equal to then. Okay. Instead of from here, our house is here. This is our school. Instead of after leaving school, instead of going to house, we move this side. Okay. Then we climb this and our father, my father came to know that, your father came to know that you are roaming outside without coming home. You got that message, so you got scared. And you are coming there fast. That is AB. Then going to home. That is what? AC. This is called sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. How can we say? यहाँ पर था घर, ये है स्कूल छूटने के बाद घर को जाने के बजाय instead of going home मैंने वो बिल्कुल ना इधर बदली तिरगा रखे यावतो ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಹತ್ತಿದ್ವಿ कोई पहाड़ चढ़ा हमने ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಹತ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಾವು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿರುಗಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅವ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವು ಇಳಿದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ जल्दी नीचे उतरे और भागते हुए घर को गए AB by AC. Then do the cross multiplication for this. That is AB square is equal to AC into AB. This is equation 1. Next second part is this one. You go for this triangle. This part of the triangle here. You know simple thing I will tell you. See here. What is that? Is that take here in triangle in the place of A you put C enough. CBD and that will be as it is. ABC. Same to same without any shape. Then instead of A I said what? Instead of A you just write down C there. That's it. Remaining will be same. So what is the angle name is here? Angle C is equal to angle C. Same reason. Common or this will be as it is. Angle D is equal to angle B and reason also same. Data and construction. Then what is that? Triangle. I said instead of A what I should write? C. CBD is similar to ABC. Reason is AA criteria. Now corresponding sides we should write. Let us see now here how we will write. See here. Instead of now this side we are going. What is that? Is DC or CD by and now is bar ऐसे चलेंगे ऊपर E बैठा है याद BC is equal to again come down from there. What is that? BC by this side. I say full length. What is that? AC. Same reason. Sides are proportional. Okay. Now cross multiplication you do BC square BC into BC square AC into C. Equation 2. That's all. Now final part. Equation 1 plus 2 will be. What is there on the left side of the equation 1? AB square. Write down AB square here first on the left side only. Plus. What is here? Second equation on the left side. BC is there. BC square is equal to. What is on the right hand side? AC into AD plus. Here what is there? AC into C. You see, AC is common here. Take out. What is remaining? AC outside. AD is remaining. AC is outside. CD is remaining. Come over here. AD and CD. You add, you get AC. Okay. So that will be AC into AC is equal to AC square. Is equal to what? AC square. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So simple. How do you feel? Whether you like it or not, let me know in the comments. I will be coming out more proofs of the other theorems which are very much important for the examination, SSLC examinations. See you, that's all for the day. See you, bye-bye. Bye.